Hey guys, on today's video I'm taking a look at your battle pass, so let's get started. Just go into your fourth tab where it says battle pass, take a look at your battle pass rewards, and then from here you're gonna see all of this. So page number 4 means that you already claimed everything. Page number 3, that way you get it unlocked. And to unlock this, for example, means you need to claim a few of these. So instead of taking a look at one by one, just go into claim pages, and we're gonna move on to page number 5 as well today. So we're just gonna do one page at a time. Let's go and press square, or you guys are gonna see on the bottom right hand side of your screen, it says claim pages and then close. So just claim pages, gonna take a look at the entire page from number 4, press X, hold on to X, and you should see all of this. So you guys can go on and just equip everything from here, get some V-Bucks, and we got everything. So let's just go over what we just got right this second, which is this awesome loading screen. Let's take a look at the music. We also got this backlink, this emoticon, and some V-Bucks. Let's not forget about the glider. It's a really cool glider. And this style for the skin, which looks really cool. Anyways, we're going to move on to page number 5 since we just got everything from page number 4. And we can go into claim pages. We're going to go on and claim rewards. So same deal. We're going to hold on to X. It's going to claim everything from here. And then we can just equipped, 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 equipped again, and equipped. So just to go over everything we just got, it's this awesome loading screen. We got the spray, we got this backlink, we got this wrap, we got this pickaxe, plus the emoticon, and let's not forget about the skin that we finally got from our battle pass. So right now if we go back, for example, we can see that I'm wearing it, but we're just gonna keep going just one more page, and we're gonna claim page number 6, which, as I mentioned, it's locked. So that means we just have to claim all these things, which we're gonna do the exact same thing, claim the entire page all at once, which we already did. We're just gonna equip everything. Of course, you don't have to equip everything. You could just go next, 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 equip it whenever you guys want to. I just find it faster and easier to equip everything. So again, just to go over things, we got this awesome loading screen. We got the banner. We got some V-Bucks. We got this awesome contrail. Let's not forget about this style and this spray, plus the style for this skin, which looks really cool. Anyways, that would be it for this awesome video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.